I'm going to show you how to force restart your Apple Watch if it's become unresponsive. But before we do that, let's check one more time whether your watch can be restarted normally. On the side of your watch, you'll see the digital crown and the side button. Press and hold the side button and see if the power off menu appears. If it does, and your screen is still responsive, you can tap the little power button in the top right corner and power off your watch from there. And once the watch has fully turned off, you can press and hold the side button to turn it back on. If the watch is unresponsive and regular shutdown doesn't work, we can do a force restart by pressing and holding down both the digital crown and the side button simultaneously. Keep holding them down for about 10 seconds and don't release them until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. This will perform a hard reset on your watch that'll usually fix any glitches if your watch isn't otherwise responding to normal taps. It will not delete any data or reset your settings. It'll simply force the watch to power off and then turn back on. And there you have it. Click the like button down there if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this.